Every month, someone is stealing from you, and you give them permission. Spotify, Apple, iCloud, that one app you download in 9th grade, the free trial you forgot to cancel. Each one looks innocent, but together, they bleed you dry. The crime is ongoing, but you're the detective. Fix your subscription habits, and your future self will thank you. The suspect list is in your bank app. Find them, cancel them, keep your money. 3 steps, that's it. Case closed.